300 apps, and nobody knows the truth. The average enterprise runs over 300 different software applications. Nobody can tell you which one has the real numbers. 300 apps. Sales has CRM, finance has ERP, support has ticketing, marketing has 40 different tools. And none of them agree. And that's death in this day and age. The CRM says it's 50K. Billing ultimately says it's 42K. Six-figure talent manually is copying data between tools. Data has become janitorial work in many companies. But that's about to change for the ones who survive. Because you can't run when people are cutting and pasting. Nobody built the nervous system. AI on 300 disconnected systems equals 300 disconnected hallucinations. Picture that. Just picture that for a minute. Just think about it. Disconnected data feeding in to a whole bunch of disconnected AI and some crazy hallucinations. So here's the point. You don't need app 301. You need one cohesive, sticky platform that's going to allow you to connect all 300 of those disconnected applications, or the critical few at least, and create the workflows, automations, audit trail, and governance you need to become the category creator in your business. You need the one thing that makes the first 300 talk to each other.